that a movie picture?
Ruben, come watch Mikey walk.
Okay, everybody get over there. Is it on? Is it moving?
What, Rick? Ruben, come here.
Oh, baby, with picture. You want to take movies?
Mommy with the leg. Oh.
Ruben.
Oh, home.
Oh, that's okay. I got you. I got you. You're okay.
Ruben, come watch.
Oh, he's got to kind of take off one of the monkeys. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama.
This is his second day of walking. Okay, turn him around so he can walk to Joe.
Okay, let's go, brother. You go, brother? Walk to brother. Oh, boy, look at Jackie. So yeah. He does better when he just takes off himself. Jackie, you're going to make him lose his balance. Good girl.
Yes, Mama.
Big girl. Oh, big walker. Oh, no. Don't
Jackie,
throw
no,
things.
no.
Jacqueline, we don't throw stuff. But we don't throw things. We don't throw our food and we don't throw our toys. You go get that one. Go get that one by the TV. Bring it back for baby. Go get the one for Mommy. Good girl. Much better. Thank you, Jackie. Good girl. There, Joe. What's the matter?
Okay, now how do you do it?
Come on, come on. Come on, little Sumo. Watch out. Get over here in front of you. Atta girl. Uh-oh, sorry. Mommy didn't get you.
Pretty, I'm out of food.
I love you. Where are you going? See, he wants to, he likes to get going himself. Here he comes. Godzilla. Good walking, little man. Good walking. Well, this is too fast.
Too slow.